Get ready. What you're about to see is power unleashed. These machines are carving through nature with savage force and surgical accuracy. It's not just action, it's a mechanical masterpiece that stuns the senses. Honestly, that bridge looks way too weak for a heavy truck. What were they thinking trying to cross it? That's a recipe for disaster. The absolute terror of tons of wood racing down the track is almost tangible. It's a scene that could belong in a nightmare. With a hydraulic press, a bit of scrap metal, and loads of creativity, this guy pulled off building a firewood splitter. The design might not win any beauty contests, but when it comes to performance and efficiency, it speaks for itself. Take a look at the results and prepare to be stunned. In the blink of an eye, the towering cedar was felled, its immense presence reduced to a memory. What was once the pride of the forest now lay on the ground, defeated by skill and mastery. Cedar wood is nothing short of a natural wonder, enveloped in warmth and strength. Let's dive into an exciting adventure as we explore a Japanese lumber mill and witness the magic behind crafting with this incredible wood. Believe it or not, the LKT-81 is hauling a colossal 20 cubic meter log. No typo here, folks. We're talking 3 times the usual power. This beast is a powerhouse, engineered for toughness and built to take on any challenge. So, is the LKT-81 the ultimate machine in your eyes? Workhorse presents the HSM405H, a top-tier harvester designed to excel in demanding large-scale timber harvesting operations, offering superior power and stability. With a price tag of around $44,000, this machine is a smart investment for boosting operational efficiency in mechanized logging. Right. Helmets on. We're about to witness some mind-blowing feats by Asian loggers. These guys are redefining the wild, no safety equipment, no harness. Just bare feet climbing towering trees and chopping them down with a chainsaw. Can you believe it? Woo! When the Welta W130 teams up with the Kesla 25RH2, it's not just a machine, it's like a full orchestra of power and precision, optimizing productivity that's going through the roof. The operator isn't just satisfied, they're probably celebrating in victory right now. This combo is absolutely incredible. In a highly anticipated battle, the Husqvarna 572XP and Steel MS 462C have proven their cutting-edge capabilities. Both saws demonstrated superior power and precision, making the competition truly intense. So, which chainsaw will claim victory? Cow, this is insane. I've never witnessed anything like this. It's so close to being a disaster. Let's just hope the driver's all right.
Quase deu cagada. A Julieta caiu dentro da grota. Pra dentro da grota. Julieta caiu na grota, garoto. Julieta foi pra dentro da grota.
This Foley bell mill, equipped with a 14-inch circular saw, brings you back to the days when people built everything with their hands. It's incredible to see it in action, turning huge trees into lumber for building houses. Watching this makes me think about the effort and craftsmanship that went into making things back then. It's truly a piece of history. This is precisely why you need to stay clear of areas like tree extraction with vehicles. Safety should always come first.
I think we got a couple more. Oh, shoot. Did you get that on video?
Ever wondered how people cut down massive trees before the chainsaw was invented? It was all done with saws and axes. Get ready to see it in action. Watch this video and share your thoughts with me. Got monster logs in your yard? Meet the Montana MD90, your ultimate tool for backyard milling. Con hung kut go kwai vat nam trong san, Huigap Montana MD chin moi, con kutoi thuong cho shuang she gong tain ha. One wrong move and things can go terribly wrong. That's why safety procedures aren't just advice. They're essential. Always keep your distance, respect the power of the machines. Thanks for tuning in to see a quick look into modern logging. If you've shown some love, hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. As always, thank you for watching Machine Era.